Most backyard cooks think they need a massive steel beast taking up half the deck just to get a decent brisket. That is just not the case anymore. I've been looking closely at this compact patio powerhouse that is making some serious waves. It is built like a tank. We are talking about heavy-duty stainless steel that feels like it could survive a hurricane. Most grills in this size range feel like they are made of thin tin or soda cans. This one has real weight to it. The first thing you notice are the signature horns on the lid. It is a bold look for a small machine. The heart of the unit is a smart temperature controller. It acts like a brain for your fire. It constantly adjusts the pellet flow to keep your heat exactly where you want it. You can go low and slow for a 12-hour rib cook. You can also crank it up high to get that perfect crest on a ribeye. It is remarkably consistent for something so small. Then there is the tech side of things. You get a dedicated app for your phone. You can be sitting on your couch or running to the store while checking your meat temperature. It takes the hovering out of the equation. You do not have to stand there in the smoke all day long. The hopper is large enough that you are not constantly running back and forth with bags of wood pellets. That is a huge win for those long Sunday sessions. You can just set it and forget it for a few hours. But it is not all sunshine and perfect smoke rings. Putting this thing together is a bit of a nightmare. The instructions feel like they were written by someone who has never actually seen the grill. You might find yourself staring at a pile of bolts and wondering where you went wrong. It takes some serious patience to get it standing. Once it is up, you might notice a few minor manufacturing quirks. Maybe the drip tray does not sit perfectly flush. Or perhaps there is a tiny scratch in the finish from the factory. It is not a deal breaker, but it is worth noting. You also have to watch the heat distribution during the cook. It is not perfectly even across every square inch of the grates. You will probably find a hot spot or two near the edges. This means you need to be active with your tongs. You have to rotate your steaks to make sure everything finishes at the exact same time. If you are cooking for a huge neighborhood block party, this is not your machine. It is designed for the small family. It is for the couple who wants a high-end meal without the massive footprint. It fits perfectly into a tight corner of a balcony or a small porch. The company stands behind it with a solid warranty. That gives you some peace of mind for the long haul. It covers you if a motor dies. It helps if a heat sensor goes haywire. It is an investment in your weekend flavor. It is about getting that wood-fired taste without the hassle of a giant rig. If you value build quality over raw size, this little beast is hard to beat. It handles everything from smoky chicken wings to a crispy backyard pizza. It is a workhorse that happens to fit in a small space. You just have to survive the assembly process first. Once the smoke starts rolling and the smell hits the air, you will probably forget about the frustration of the setup. It is a solid choice for the everyday griller who wants professional results at home. It makes the transition to wood pellet cooking feel effortless and fun.